Hey everybody, I hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to make a quick video to say hi and to let you know that I'm doing really well. My wrist is feeling much better and I'm well on the road to recovery. This video is not about jewelry making or unboxings. It's just a quick video to say hi and to share some thoughts. I wanted to share a magical moment that I filmed in my backyard the other day. We've been observing and admiring hummingbirds in our backyard. We put a feeder out and lo and behold, they've come to visit it quite frequently. Of course, we have a lot of flowers everywhere that attracts them as well. But anyway guys, at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you what I witnessed the other day. I'm calling it the Dance of the Hummingbirds. It was a very magical moment with two hummingbirds interacting with each other. So please watch this video till the end if you can. One of the reasons I wanted to share this with you is because I feel hummingbirds symbolize many positive things. For me, they symbolize lightness and joy. I also believe they symbolize healing and good luck. And for me, birds have had a lot of meaning in my life because whenever I've had events throughout my lifetime, whether it's the birth of a loved one or the death of a loved one, I've always been visited by some kind of bird. Of course, it could be just pure coincidence, but like I said before, I view hummingbirds as a symbol of something positive. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this beautiful capture. The music is by a composer who's actually new in the industry. Her name is Elise Solberg. The name of the song is A Letter from Paris. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.